Tired of getting bombarded with Temu texts selling you everything from discounted socks to questionable gadgets? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to shut those pesky notifications down once and for all, reclaiming your peace and quiet. First, open the Temu app on your phone and look for the U icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap it to proceed. You'll be taken to your account page. Now find the settings option. It's usually symbolized by a gear icon, and you'll likely find it near the bottom of this page. Click on it. In the settings menu, locate and tap the notifications option. This is where you'll manage all the alerts Temu sends your way. Inside the notification settings, you'll find a section specifically for SMS or text message notifications. Notice the toggle switch is currently turned on, which means you are actively receiving these texts. Simply tap the toggle switch to turn SMS notifications off. A confirmation window may pop up, asking if you're sure you want to disable these notifications. Confirm your decision to stop the texts. And just like that, you've silenced the Temu text barrage. Now you can enjoy a notification feed that's actually relevant to you.